In this problem, we're going to look at a radical equation and how to solve it. Because I think the first time you'd see something like this, you'd probably be liable to panic a little bit. That's complicated and just kind of obnoxious looking. But if we go ahead and tackle it, it is solvable. Okay, how can we solve this? Well, we could either just multiply both sides and then simplify from there. Or we can move one to the other side and then multiply. I'm going to move that to the other side first. I think that just looks a little easier this time. So we'll have 4y plus 29 equals 6 plus root y minus 4. Let's multiply both sides times each other. Okay, this comes off nice and easy. 4y plus 29 equals 6 times 6 gives us 36. Let's see, root y minus 4 times root minus 4. Let's do a FOIL, proper FOIL. That's 6 times root y minus 4. But we do that twice, so we get 12 root y minus 4. And root y minus 4 times root y minus 4 gives us y minus 4. Okay, so let's simplify this and do it again. Because look, we're a lot simpler than we were earlier. Let's move everything except the root to this side. Maybe move the 12 as well, but let's one thing at a time. Okay, so let's subtract y. Let's subtract 36 minus 36. Add 4. What does that give us? 3y. 29 minus 36. See, 36 is going to be 7 greater, so get negative 7 plus 4 gives us negative 3 equals 12 root y plus 4. Minus 4. I make mistakes too, so if you see a mistake, go ahead and catch it. Okay, let's multiply both sides again. You know what, the reason we talk about simplifying is it makes things easier. I just did this a little bit harder than we needed to. Look, we can divide this side by 3 and this side by 3. And that just makes it a lot easier. Okay, let's divide by 3. We get y minus 1 equals 4 root y minus 4. Simpler. Simpler means easier. We like that. It also means we're more liable to get it right. So, okay, now let's square both sides. We have y squared minus 2y plus 1 equals 4 times 4 is 16, y minus 4. Okay. Let me move myself over here so we have a bit more room. Y squared minus 2y plus 1 equals, equals 16y. 4 times 16 is going to be, pull your calculator if you need to, that's 64. Okay, so we just move everything to the same side. We can go ahead and start solving. Subtract 16y from both sides. We get y squared minus 18y. Add 64 to both sides, we get 65 equals 0. Okay, now we could take time and factor that. This isn't the section on factoring, but that should be factorable. In any case, that's simplified. Regardless of whether or not we can get an answer out of this using the methods we know right now, that is simplified. That's a heck of a lot simpler than what we started off with. So that's how it used to work on a radical equation. I squared it twice, well, moving terms around to keep it simple, and that's what I ended up with. So remember, simplify little bits as you go along. If you can't take big steps, take baby steps. Baby steps will get you there. In science, it's all baby steps. You try to keep as little tiny baby steps as you can, and it gets you there.